one of the things to me that's cool is when we do put in these cobots and that light bulb goes off and they finally get it. You know, the kid's like, okay, I know what I'm doing here. And then he starts welding and he starts to see. And then inevitably it leads to, oh, I could do this part over here. You know, I could do this part too. And then that's what's cool is you can see that future down the road, these people are moved in the right direction and, you know, they're going to be solvent for a long time.
The cobot definitely brings a human touch to the robotic world.
Absolutely.
It's a collaborative relationship between a welder and a robot, right? So it's not like we're really like taking the person out of it. We're just adding to their ability.
Right. It's a tool to make them more efficient.
Yeah.